This is a quick tutorial on how to make bookings from the front desk. So I'm just going to quickly go to front desk. Under that, go to bookings. And as it loads up, you can see all the bookings here. On the top right, you'll see the new booking button. So here you can add a payee. A payee is basically a client for whom you want to make the booking for. If the client is not already added, you can add them by clicking on add payee. But in my case, I think there might already be a client added. So I can see myself as a client. So I'm just going to click on next. And then I am going to choose which service do I want them to buy. So let's say I want to buy a class. I click on class. I select the class. Let's say I want to get the LED Ashtanga service. After that, I can select the dates, so I can buy it from more than one date. So let's say I want to buy all classes happening in December. So as you can see, I can scroll through classes and look at them. But I guess all classes in December would be a bit overkill. So let's just go for like the first 3 classes in December. Yeah. You can also choose attendees or your family members or friends you want to add. Let's say I want to book all these classes for only me and Jacques. So now that is done, I have the option to choose my payment option. I can either choose cash or online payment, or I can use class credits. You can get class credits by buying class packs. But since I'm buying class here, let's say I want to pay using cash. I'm going to select that. I'm going to go to add to cart right here. So this is the final cart for the class. If you're making the booking from the back end or from the front desk, as I just said, you can add any discounts. So let's add the 50% discount right here. You can also add taxes if you would like. So most taxes are auto applied. So these are the default taxes. So you don't need to apply them manually. They're already applied. And then you can choose the payment method. Let's say I want to choose cash. So I've just selected that. And then I can send the confirmation on their email that they bought this. And I'm just going to click on the total right here. And that is it. You've made a booking from the front desk for a class. I'm just going to show this to you. So this is the booking which you made yourself. So if you don't want your customers to go to the service store and make it themselves, you can make the booking for them. Or if someone, let's say, walks up to your brick and mortar store, you can use this process for that case too. I'm also going to show you how to make quick class package booking. So let's select another client right here. That is DC this time. You can even buy someone a class pack. Let's say I buy them the 5-class variety pack. And I select the attendee, and that's it. It's offline. And yeah. Now, if we assume that someone has already bought a class pack and they have the credits and you want to make a credit booking, this is a really quick tutorial on just that. So I'm just going to click on new booking. I'm going to select a payee. Let's say it's DC. I'm going to click on next. After that, I'm going to go to a class. I'm going to select the class I want to make a booking for. Let's say I want to do it on the first 2 days of December. So I'm just going to select that. I'm going to select the attendee, which is me in this case. And then under payment option, I will choose class credits. And there I have the 5-class variety pack. So I have 5 credits available. I'll click on that. Then I'll click on confirm booking. And that is it. You have already made a booking. So as you can see, this is a credits booking. It says credits paid is 2. And these 2 classes have been booked using the credits. And just to confirm it even further, I'm going to go to subscriptions now and look at the class pack owned by DC. And you can see that out of the 5 total credits, now only 3 are available. 2 have been utilized. And that is it.